Hello friends, welcome to my channel. In today's video, we will see how we can solve an issue with the maps in the Power BI desktop. So I have loaded this map from this particular icon. Now we will see that if I try to load any of the values such as state here, this is a location I have set it here, and you see there is an issue that map and filled map visuals are disabled. You need to go to this particular location in order to enable them. So what we will do, we'll go to files, go to options and settings, options. Herein you will see an options pop up. You'll go to security, scroll down, use map and filled map visuals, enable it and click OK. Now you see that issue is no longer there. Map and filled map visuals available.